The pride of Moosewala village, Sidhu Moosewala, is returning home from abroad. He has built a magnificent mansion in his beloved village. Sidhu is here to begin farming in his village. With hard work, he will grow abundant crops and bring prosperity to the village. He is passionate about tractors. He owns a collection of his favorite tractors for his farm. This is Sidhu's farmland. Right in front of the field is his tool garage.
Farmer, go to the tractor, start it, and then connect the working tool according to the map. Good, farmer. You have connected the tool. Now follow the map and go toward the field. Well done, farmer. You've reached the field. Set down the plow and begin to plow the land.